Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we will exploring some beautiful designs of heart shape and beautiful ornaments for upcoming season, and very loved and beautiful designs are here, and you can create them all at your home by getting ideas from this video. This video is made for especially those women, those people who wants to create something new, something special brand, something beautiful brand for their home. In this video we are sharing some amazing and useful ideas, some amazing and beautiful designs for everyone who wants to make something new and different. So viewers, hope you're enjoying very well, hope you're enjoying the beautiful ideas. Thank you for sharing your story, thank you for joining us and be a part of this journey, and please make sure your comments are very valuable for us. These designs are very beautiful and amazing, very useful. So here are some beautiful and amazing designs, and hope you're enjoying very well, and amazing ideas are here. So viewers, in this video we are sharing some useful and amazing designs. In this video, these are very interesting crafting ideas, very loved shape and heart shape ideas. You can create them all at home. Very beautiful designs are here. Thank you for joining us, thank you for supporting this video, thank you for really for beautiful comment. So viewers, here are very beautiful and special amazing designs. Here are very amazing and beautiful ideas, heart shape ornaments, and you can create your own brand. You can make it at home very beautifully. So what do you think about that? These designs are useful or not? Because we try to bring amazing and useful ideas, amazing and useful designs for everyone who wants to create something new and different. So thank you, be a part of this journey, and we want to create some beautiful and useful ideas, some beautiful and useful designs. If you want to watch more designs like this, more ideas like this, we definitely try to upload different types of ideas, different types of design. These ornaments are very creative and unique. These ornaments are very amazing and beautiful. So you can create them at home, because Western women are very creative and very amazing, and creativity has no boundaries and no limits. You can create that which any of ages, because these ornaments you getting beautiful things from market. These type of ornaments, you can start your own business with these type of ornaments, these type of craft. Hope you're enjoying very well, hope you're enjoying these ideas and designs. Viewers, in this video we are sharing amazing and unique creation and collection. So polka dots, soft fabric, soft cozy fabric designs, very amazing and useful ideas. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you so much for amazing video watching. So if you want to watch more designs like this, if you want to watch some related designs like it, you can watch, you can create your thoughts. Please share your thoughts, your opinions in my comment section, and we will definitely try to give their answer. Stay blessed, God bless you all, take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very nice and beautiful journey, and we try to bring amazing and unique designs. So thank you, stay blessed, God bless you all, take care of yourself and your family members. Remember me in your prayers. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, prosperity.